If you're new to trading, one of the first things you'll come across is something called a broker platform. But what exactly is it? And why is it so important? A broker platform is your digital trading desk. It's the software that lets you buy and sell in the financial markets from your computer, tablet, or phone. It's where you analyze market charts, place trades, manage your risk, and track your performance in real time, all in one place. For beginners, it's important your platform is easy to use, reliable, and tailored to your trading goals, whether you're focusing on currencies, indices, or commodities. And remember, placing trades with a broker is just one part of trading. You also need a strategy to help you choose the right trades, manage risk, and stay consistent. That's where we come in. At Trendsignal, we only work with FCA-regulated brokers, authorized by the Financial Conduct Authority, to ensure your funds and data are properly safeguarded. Trendsignal, based at Cranfield University Technology Park, has helped traders succeed for over 22 years. Whether you're new or experienced, we offer expert award-winning trading packages, one-to-one coaching, live workshops, and full support to help you trade smarter and more confidently across stocks, crypto, swing, and intraday trading. And at our free live trading webinars, you'll learn how to identify legitimate brokers, avoid common mistakes, and trade successfully using our proven rules-based strategy. Your broker platform is your gateway to the markets, and with the right guidance, you can trade with clarity, structure, and confidence. So join one of our free live trading webinars and take your first step with support from an experienced team.